Hello guys, my name is Godswill. Welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to buy Pig Finance using Pancake. So Pig Finance is a new project which I think gonna make you some good money if you can only enter now, because it's still very much early. Okay, so I got to know about this last week, and that was early last week. So I entered, and to my greatest surprise, I'm really amazed with what I've seen so far. So I decided to do this video to also show you how you can accumulate this, how you can accumulate this. Okay, so let's look at this. So this is CoinGecko. So when you go to CoinGecko, you can just search for Pig Finance. Okay, so you're going to find out more about it. So let's look at this. So you can see in the last 24 hours it has done 229.7% movement. So in the last 1 hour, as of time of recording this, it has done 53.3%. so you just look at the charts, just look at this, see the movements. So you can see where it started from, and you can see where it is right now. Okay, so I'll just take it straight. I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. Let me just take it straight and show you how you can buy this. So we'll be using Trust Wallet. Okay, so we'll be using Trust Wallet. We'll be using the app. Then from there we'll go. So let's dive in straight up. So this is my Trust Wallet. I'm trying to open it, so I'm going to walk you through. Let me just show you how to buy this. Okay, all right, so this is my Trust Wallet. I have 10.28 Binance Smart Chain, so I'll use that to purchase it. All right, so from your Trust Wallet, you just go to the app. When you look down, you see the app, you click on it. Okay, so once it loads up, you search for Pancakeswap. So let it load. Alright, so okay, so I've been using Pancakeswap, so it's already in my history. So all I need to do is just to click on Pancakeswap. So just click on it. It's loading. Let's wait for it to load up. So very important thing before you start moving to Pancakeswap, if you're still very new, because where you have this Binance chain symbol at the top right corner of this recording, you will see Binance chain symbol. So when you click on it, let's say for instance yours is on Ethereum, so you can actually click there, change it to Binance chain, which is this. Okay, so once you do that, after doing that, that is if your own is on showing Ethereum. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to change back to this Binance chain. Then from there, all you need to do is you select Pig, that is PIG. So for you to do that, under from, you're going to see your balance, which is 0.038. That's what I have in my Binance chain. So all I need to do is go to click on select currency. So I will do this. Okay, so here you search, you type PIG in this box. Okay, okay, search PIG. Oh, okay, so it's not loading. So all I need to do is I need to go and get the smart contract address. Okay, so for you to do that, let me take you back to my browser. So from CoinGecko, when you scroll down, you can actually see the contract address. So you can see the website explorer contract. So just copy this contract address. This is for this project, this Pig Finance project. Okay, just click on it. I just copied it. Then all I need to do is head back to this place. So here, all I need to do is paste. I'll paste that contract address. You can see it brings up Pig Finance. It brings up Pig for me. So all I need to do is add it. I will need to add it. Okay, so good, I just added it. All right, so I just added it. So all I need to do next is just to swap. just to swap. Okay, so but before you swap, you need to change the slippage tolerance to 6%. Let's change it. Then I'll come here, click add 6%, click out. Then you can see here, you can see the slippage tolerance to be 6%. So all I need to do is just to click on swap. Click on swap. So all I need to do is swap. So you can see here showing me the number of pig I'm gonna get. So all I need to do is confirm. Okay, let me accept. There's a change in price. Let me accept. Then click on confirm. So I'm waiting for confirmation. Let's wait for confirmation. Okay, it's trying to confirm. Okay, fine. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this interface. So you can see the max total I'm using right now is about $8.24. So all I need to do is click on approve. So it's going to ask me to impute my PIN, which I've done. So waiting for confirmation. Okay, fine. Transaction has been submitted. So let me close this. So after closing it, all you need to do, just go back. Let's go back. Now when you go back here, all you need to do, just go to your wallet, click on your wallet, then you refresh this page. So you can see I have 10. Okay, now you can see it has dropped to 2.23. So let's wait a bit. The pig gonna appear down here, the pig token. So you can see, so the pig token has appeared. So I was able to get about 236 million of this pig. Okay, so we'll just have to wait and then see what happens next. But before I go, let me show you something. I did one like this. That was last week, and I'll tell you the truth, I'm amazed with the kind of result I've seen. So let me go and show you. Let me go to one of my wallet and show you what I did. Okay, it's loading up. So at this place, so here I was able to get some. So let me just go to the app of this one. Let me go to Pancakeswap. So I've already copied the smart contract address already. So all I need to do is to impute it here. After this might have loaded. Okay, this is fine. So select currency, then paste, because I've already copied the smart contract address. All I need to do is just to paste it here. Okay, so it just came up. So so let me turn it the other way around. Okay, so let me do max of the pig I have. Okay, whoa. So you can see right here I have like 3.26 BNB. If I tell you how much I used in starting this, you will wonder. I started with about just $10. So right now I have close to 3.2 BNB. This should be close to $900 right now. So you can see this is crazy, very massive, very massive. So just imagine a $10 investment giving you over $900. This is massive. So I just wanted to show you this, just to show you that this is doable. This is doable. So let me just go back. Let me take you to this. So you can actually go to their website, go and read up for yourself, find out more things. Okay, their site is pigtoken.finance. So this is their site. You can go here, go and read up for yourself. There's a whole lot of information. This project is going to be massive. It's going to be massive. Just take this very serious. You will be happy that at the end of the day you took part in this project. So guys, that will be it for today. We want to say thank you for your sticking around. Thank you for your time. please feel free to give me a thumb up on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell. Once we release a new video, you'll be the first to get to know. So we'll be bringing you hot content that are going to make you massive money. We won't just be posting anyhow thing. This is more of educational and also things that are going to help you make some good money. So thank you so much for sticking around till the end of the video. God bless you.